In this video, you'll learn how to design and style pop-up forms in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to create effective forms that engage your audience and enhance your email marketing strategy. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the homepage loads, you will see an overview of your account and various options available for managing your campaigns. Next, locate the Create button on the dashboard. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Create Pop-up Form. This action will direct you to the pop-up form creation interface, where you can begin designing your form. After the new page loads, you will see a prompt asking, what would you like to offer? This is where you can define the incentive for users to sign up. Consider the types of incentives that resonate most with your audience, as this can significantly increase conversion rates. Once you've decided on an incentive, you will be prompted to choose the type of offer you want to provide. For example, you might consider options like free shipping or discount codes. Click on the incentive you wish to offer. This selection will help tailor the pop-up to your audience's interests. Next, select a template for your pop-up form. The template options will appear on the screen, showcasing different styles and layouts. Choose a template that aligns with your brand identity. This selection will determine the overall look and feel of your pop-up. After selecting a template, click on the chosen design to proceed to the form customization area. Here you can adjust various elements such as colors, fonts, and images to match your branding. This customization is crucial for ensuring that your form is visually appealing and on brand. Then you will see a message asking, how would you like to set up your form? Take a moment to review the available setup options. This includes settings for how your form will appear on the website and how it will function. Once you've configured the setup options, click on the Create Form button. This action will generate your new pop-up form based on the selections and customizations you've made. Be patient as the system processes your request and wait for the confirmation screen to appear. Now you can edit the pop-up form as needed. Make sure to review all details to ensure everything aligns with your marketing goals. After making any necessary adjustments, proceed by clicking on Save and Review. This ensures your changes are stored and ready for the next step. Finally, click on Publish or Schedule to make your pop-up form live. This step is essential for activating the form on your website or scheduling it for a future date. Ensure that you have considered your audience's optimal engagement times when scheduling. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.